Hello guys, in this video I want to compare the two different kinds of the Brooks Proofide leather dressing or leather conditioner for their leather saddles. And the reason I want to compare is because I think this is their new design with the new packaging and everything. And of course this, what I have here is their original old design. The ingredients on both are actually different. So this one I'll just show you guys right over here. So the ingredients, it's listed right over there: tallow, cod oil, vegetable oil, paraffin, wax, beeswax, and what's the last one? Citronella oil. So this is the old ingredients. And interestingly, on their new one, the ingredients actually changed. And of course, still made in England as the original one. And a brand new packaging. So this one actually have a threaded top cap compared to the old one, which only the cap is non-threaded. I think in terms of storage, the new one should work a lot better than the old one. But then again, the old one didn't leak or anything. It's just a little harder to open. See, like every time I need to open it up, it's a struggle. I have to pry it gently from all sides, and as you can see how hard it is for me to open the old design can. So I'm gonna open it up, and that's why I think the new can is a lot better. It's gonna take a while. Oh, I just got some on my hand. So yeah, the old design, it's very hard to open, and the new design is so much better improved also. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients on the new Brooks Proofide. It's beeswax, paraffin wax, rapeseed oil, sunflower oil, and refined tallow and citronella oil. So of course the rapeseed and sunflower, you could consider it vegetable oil from the old ingredient list. And the thing different is, instead of using the cod oil from the old design, they actually chosen, let's see, they actually got rid of the animal oil and they used only vegetable oil. That is the only difference. And from the smell of both Proofide, I can see that the old one actually have a animal fat smell on it when you actually open the can, and on the new one, it doesn't have any animal fat smell. It just smells. It smells actually pretty good. It smells healthy and organic in some way, and this one just smells fat. So maybe that is the reason that they improved the ingredients and got rid of the cod oil in the original design. But then I guess one have to actually test the actual dressing on the saddle itself to find out if the new design or the new recipe works as good as the old one, which I have no doubt, because you know, if they come out with something that is they say it's improved and better, then it should be better, right? But I'm not sure, because for example, the saddle that I just reviewed a few months ago, the cambium saddle, which they said it's better and improved, and it's made of, you know, it's made to be comfortable from day one, which isn't. So again, I guess the effectiveness of the new Proofide have to be tested when the time comes and the saddle actually needs addressing. But for now, I'm sticking with my old one, and when the old one runs out, I'm gonna try out the new one and give you guys a update on how well the old Proofide recipe works. And so this will conclude this video. If you guys have any questions about these two little designs, the two different versions of the Proofide, feel free to let me know in the comment section, and I'll post the link below for you to buy either the old one or the new one. So if you like the old classic animal fat smell, get the old one. And if you don't like the animal fat smell, get the new one because it smells really good. So there you have it. And again, thank you so much and take care.